Types of computers. Computers are available in different types and sizes. Desktop computer. A computer that we keep on a desk or a table is called a desktop computer. We can find them in offices, at homes, and in many other places. Laptop. Laptop is a small portable computer that can be kept on our lap. It works with the help of a battery that can be charged with electricity. The smaller model of a laptop is called a notebook. Tablet. Tablet is a portable computer. It has a touch screen. We can use our finger or a special pen to use it. Smartphone. A mobile phone that provides computer facilities is called a smartphone. The size of the smartphone is smaller than a tablet.